Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Life in USA JiaSasyaSiri Vlogs. If you are new to our channel, we'll be doing vlogs from USA. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like after watching the video. This vlog is continuation of our previous vlog. Today's vlog is new and you'll definitely enjoy this, so keep watching until the end. We are going to Lowe for workshop. Here in Lowe's and Home Depot, they'll arrange for kids workshop. We can do at the stores or we can take it and do at the home. I picked kids workshop kit from Home Depot. It's here. This is picket fence planter. I couldn't do the workshop there because I had already planned for Lowe's. Maybe next time when I plan for Home Depot, I'll go there. Every month there will be change in workshop kits. Kids enjoy doing these workshops. They'll learn many things as well as they'll interact with the people, those who come for workshop, and socialize. This is to put some plants and for the kids to see how the plant grows. This month in Home Depot it is picket fence planter. And in Lowe's it is birdhouse. Now you all can see how my daughter does the workshop. This is her first workshop and also she might be the youngest to do the workshop in Lowe's because she is just 17 months old now. We have to first register for the workshop before coming to the Lowe's. We had already registered. This is a form which we have to fill before the workshop. In this slot, our daughter will be the only one who will be doing the workshop. This is a free workshop for kids.
So all you're doing is going to just be following the instructions of the assembly.
Store associate will explain first. This is your first workshop?
Thank you. You're welcome.
In store, they'll give this apron and safety goggles for kids. They have to wear it. This is first as well as new experience for our baby as well as for us. We are enjoying it. I know that she is very young for all these workshops and all. She might not understand. But for us, we know our baby is very smart. She does so many activities at home. So my thought is when I bring her for all these kind of workshop, when I take her for functions, parties, and many other activities which you usually see in my vlogs, I feel that she is learning so much around and she is exploring better. Also, she might get bored playing at home. So when she come outside, she'll see the people and get socialized.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಡಾನು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋನು ಫುಲ್ ಸಾಕು ಅದು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ದೂరం పెట్టాను Sasya, see here. Did this one.
Good job!
Now, నీ ఫింగర్ దూరం పెట్టు. క్రాస్ పోకూడదు, స్ట్రైట్ ఉండాలి.
Now I'll be doing the workshop with her.
Chinna Putta, how is this?
So you're liking it? Nice.
Oi.
Okay, next better. Okay. Hey, done. 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 Yeah, done. Birdhouse is ready. Yes. See here. See Amma. Chinna. See. Good. Claps. 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 Hold it. You hold it. Bottom. Yes. Job. Hold it properly tight.
Leader. Leader. Leader.
She saw this bike while going back. Go. Hold it and stand.
నీ బుల్లెట్ బండకి వచ్చే తప్ప Saka, come.
We will go. Okay.
That is not ours, Chinnu. Come. Come.
No, baby. There is one more. Come. There is one more outside. There is one more outside. We'll go outside and. There is one more outside. Come. Our car. We have the same kind of car, right? See, we have this car.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಪು. She has started to do the shopping. She will just select something and say that she needs it.
We have the same kind of car, right? See, we have this car.
What is this, Siri? What is this, Chinnu? What is that? Car? What is this? Car. Come, let's go. What is that? What is that? Say. Huh? Car. This is the garden section. We can purchase whatever we need for the gardening here. Like this? Yes, flower. So many flowers. Anna?
The.
Banana. Banana tree. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Banana tree. This is $15.
తీసుకుంటావా?
No. You will take this one.
Bye, bye.
Come.
Come here.
Rate check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Rate ನೋಡ್ದಾ? ಬಾ.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet in next vlog. Until then, bye. Tata. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Take care. Here are the seeds for vegetables, fruits. We are going back to home now.